Area. Area refers to the amount of space or surface inside a two-dimensional shape. It is usually expressed in square units such as square meters, square feet, or square inches. The area of a shape can be calculated by multiplying the length of the shape by its width. For example, the area of a rectangle with a length of 5 meters and a width of 3 meters is 15 square meters. Area is an important measurement in fields such as geometry, architecture, and engineering. Earth. Earth generally refers to the ground, soil, or land. It can describe the physical material that makes up the surface of the countryside, including hills, fields, forests, and other natural features. The term Earth can also refer to the environment, ecosystem, or natural surroundings of a particular area, including the plants, animals, and other living organisms that inhabit the countryside. In general, the word Earth is used to describe the natural environment of the countryside, and it is often associated with themes of ecology, conservation, and environmentalism. Field. A field is an open expanse of land that is typically used for growing crops or grazing animals. It is usually flat or gently sloping and can vary in size from a small plot to a large tract of land. Fields can be cultivated or left fallow, depending on the agricultural practices of the farmer or landowner. They are an important part of the rural landscape and provide the raw materials for many agricultural products. Region. Region is often used to refer to a large, specific area of land, usually with distinct characteristics such as climate, terrain, vegetation, or human culture. In the countryside, a region might refer to a particular area that is bounded by natural features like mountains or rivers, or it could refer to an area that shares common economic, social, or cultural characteristics. For example, the Appalachian region in the United States is known for its rugged mountains and traditional music, while Tuscany in Italy is famous for its rolling hills, vineyards, and historic cities. Region can also be used to refer to administrative areas, such as a state or province, that are defined by political boundaries rather than natural ones. Scenery. Scenery refers to the natural beauty of a landscape or environment, particularly in the countryside. It can include various elements such as mountains, valleys, rivers, forests, and fields. When people talk about the scenery in a certain place, they are referring to the visual elements that make up the natural environment and how beautiful or striking they appear. The word is often used to describe a picturesque or stunning view, particularly in outdoor settings. Sea. Sea refers to a large body of salt water that is usually connected to an ocean. It is often used to describe the coastline or the natural landscape of a coastal area. The sea is an important part of many coastal communities and can provide opportunities for fishing, recreation, and transportation. The sea can also have a significant impact on the climate and weather patterns of the surrounding areas. Seaside. Seaside refers to the area along the coast where the land and sea meet. It usually includes beaches, cliffs, and other features of the shoreline. The seaside is often a popular destination for tourists who want to enjoy the beach and the ocean. It can be a place for relaxation, swimming, sunbathing, and other recreational activities. Seaside towns and villages may have a boardwalk, piers, or other attractions to enhance the experience of visitors. The seaside can be a beautiful and peaceful place to spend time, especially on a warm, sunny day. Valley. A valley is a low area of land between hills or mountains, often with a river or stream running through it. It is typically wider than a gorge but narrower than a plain, and it can provide a natural path for transportation or agriculture. Valleys can be found all over the world and can vary greatly in size and shape. They are often characterized by their beautiful scenery, with lush vegetation, waterfalls, and wildlife. Many people enjoy visiting valleys for hiking, camping, and other outdoor activities. Village. A village is a small community or settlement in the countryside, usually with a population of several hundred to a few thousand people. Typically, a village has a few streets and houses, a central area where people can gather, and perhaps a few shops, a school, and a church or other religious center. Villages often have a strong sense of community, with residents who know one another and are involved in each other's lives. In some cases, villages may be surrounded by farmland or other rural landscapes, and may be known for traditional crafts or agricultural practices.